How to freeze frame video on CapCut in your PC. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open CapCut application in your PC. Once you open the CapCut app, simply tap on import and then select a video. Once you select it, drag it to your timeline. Go ahead and make adjustment. You can simply cut the video as the length as you like, and once you have your video ready, you want to go ahead and tap on this icon that says freeze. Go ahead and tap onto it, and just like so, another layer has been created. And when you play the video, as you can see, the first layer is frozen, and just like so, the second layer is now in motion. If you wish to freeze more frames of your video, go ahead and select it and then simply tap on freeze again. And just like so, it will then freeze your video in the CapCut. That is simply how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.